Hey everyone, so right now Team South Delhi Flows is in Anand Niketan to cover an amazing penthouse property. It's a 4-bedroom unit, a very unique penthouse. Why unique? Because along with this penthouse, you get a private lift, a glass door lift, a private lift. Also, apart from the private lift, you get 1/3 of terrace garden in this and 1/3 of basement. So that's a very unique combination this builder is providing to the home buyers. Also, now if you talk about the entrance, such lavish, good size entrance over here. So that's your main door. You can enter from the common staircase also. But what could be better than having a private lift? And if you look at the flooring over here, so the builder has given this 3D pattern in this flooring, which is really complement the modern look of this apartment. If you see the fall ceiling, beautiful use of wooden fall ceiling, that continues still over here. And this wooden area has a geometric pattern, so which is really looking really nice. In fact, जो entrance पे यहाँ पे glass का भी use हुआ है, इस glass के अंदर भी geometric patterns हैं, so जिससे कि काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. Let's look at the drawing room area of this amazing apartment. Guys, such spacious drawing room. Being a corner unit, it has this two-side wraparound balcony. जिससे कि पूरा दिन इस घर के अंदर there would be no shortage of natural light and ventilation. Amazing use of light fixtures over here. Samsung की सारी VRV air conditioning है, so there are 1, 2, 3 cassette ACs only for this drawing room area. Now let's check out the balcony. Very good size covered balcony. Two side पे ये wraparound balcony है. This property has a very wider peaceful road on the side also. So amazing location. A unique thing they have given over here is they have given this water body. So evening में आप अपने living room में friends and family के साथ बैठे हैं तो इसकी जो sound आएगी वो एक natural ambient sound आपको feel होगी. Amazing use of Italian stone over here also on the facade. So very good property. Now let's see the first bedroom. A really good sized bedroom. Being a corner property, it has balconies all over. काफ़ी ventilation है, काफ़ी modern, spacious, elegant design ये bedroom है. Beautiful use of the color selection of the stone is really nice. जितने भी fixtures use हुए हैं, if you see the fan, it's really modern, contemporary looking fan है. बड़े simple, elegant interiors हैं. Samsung का cassette AC है. Now over here the builder has given a 3-door closet. जो closet की finish है, so they've given this fabric finish over here, which is really uplifting the interiors. काफ़ी upmarket लग रहा है. This is how the closet looks from inside. So it has this inbuilt light over here. In fact, there are 3 drawers also. Drawers के अंदर भी there are different sections that that have been already created over here. So being a corner property, it has a balcony opening also. So when you get such lavish balcony, जो कि एक covered balcony है, इस तरह की balcony से पूरा दिन एक natural light और ventilation रहती है. In fact, balcony के अंदर भी जो ceiling use हुई है वो aluminium की fittings हैं. So it's a permanent finish exterior. Now let's see the attached bathroom. A very modern bathroom. Dark theme के अंदर इतना सुंदर modern bathroom साउथ दिल्ली में कम ही देखने को मिलता है. In very interesting use of the inbuilt light in this double glass looking mirror over here. Vitra and Grohe की सारी fittings हैं. जो counter top है, that's a different stone, contrasting stone है, और जो walls पे use हुआ है, that's a different Italian cladding over here. Already inbuilt light के साथ niches create किए हुए हैं. You can store your bathroom essentials, or you can keep some stuff to further decorate this bathroom. So it has this 3-door closet inside this bathroom. We have already seen a 3-door closet in the bedroom, but उसके अलावा भी एक 3-door closet यहाँ पे है. So this is in glass finish, and this is how the closet looks from inside. Now another unique thing we have seen in this apartment is this WC. So Curio की top of the line self-cleaning, self-opening WC है. So this is another first we are seeing in South Delhi, and this is the shower cubicle. A very good walkable shower cubicle. There's a rain shower also, and beautiful top of the line fittings by Grohe. Let's see the kitchen. A very modern kitchen. Guys, such an amazing use of this bold color over here. But since it's in matte finish, it's giving a very peaceful and amazing contemporary look to it. जो stone use हुआ है, countertop पे एक grey color का Italian stone use हुआ है. Flooring में there's a different contrasting stone. Bosch के सारे inbuilt appliances हैं. So there's an inbuilt microwave oven, a chimney hob over here. जितनी भी fittings हैं ये सारी Hetic की soft landing के साथ fittings हैं. So there's ample storage space to store your kitchen essentials. A window has been also provided for the natural light and ventilation. Now if you look at this fall ceiling, such big amazing light, a diffused light जिससे कि इस kitchen के अंदर एक बड़ा relaxed ambience create हो रहा है. There's also AC by Samsung that has been already given in this kitchen. Now the shape of this kitchen is in L shape. So जो wet area को already यहाँ पे segregate कर दिया है. There's a space for dishwasher also, and this is the wet area. So ample space, wherever you look, you will find a space to store your stuff over here. Now let's see the second bedroom of this amazing property in Anand Niketan. Very subtle and minimalistic yet modern interiors. So they have given this 4-door closet over here. Very elegant fluted design on this closet. This is how the closet looks from inside. Now if you look at inside the closet, there's also an inbuilt light over here, and already यहाँ पे 3 drawers यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं. Drawers के अंदर different segregation भी किया हुआ, so you can keep your stuff over here. Very spacious layout. Being a corner property, it also has this balcony opening जिससे कि added natural light and ventilation होती है. Samsung का cassette AC है, and very simplistic fall ceiling. Now let's see the bathroom attached with this bedroom. So all the bathrooms of this property has been designed in a dark theme, a modern theme. So very interesting use of these looking glass mirror shapes over here. जो countertop में एक darker tone के अंदर stone है, walls पे एक beigeish brown color का अलग stone use हुआ है, जिससे कि एक और enhance हो रही है इसकी look and feel. जितने भी doors use हुए हैं, these are white in color to add to contrast to it. And such a designer vanity, lot of space to store your bathroom essentials over here. Now this is the space for WC. WC के अलावा एक shower cubicle को यहाँ पे segregate करके quite a spacious shower cubicle, Grohe की सारी fittings हैं. There's also a window provided here. Let's see the unique powder bathroom. In this powder bathroom, there's a beautiful use of onyx stone. Onyx stone एक टर्की origin का stone है, an expensive stone जो कि translucent होता है, जिसके अंदर से light pass हो सकती है. So एक onyx stone की wall यहाँ पे feature wall इस bathroom के अंदर create की हुई है, जिससे कि काफ़ी अच्छी ambience आ रही है. Here they have used this freestanding sink over here. ग्रोहे की सारी fittings हैं और जो fittings use हुई हैं इस तरह से वो glass के अंदर merge करी हुई है कि quite an amazing workmanship. Now let's see the third bedroom. Guys, this is one of the primary bedroom. Being a corner apartment in Anand Niketan, so this has this amazing balcony over here. Amazing use of glass over here, जिससे कि काफ़ी natural light पूरा दिन इस apartment के अंदर रहेगी. Also being a primary bedroom, it has a closet over here also, a 4-door closet with handleless design. काफ़ी unique design है इस closet का. Being an upmarket apartment, it has this ductable VRV air conditioning. काफ़ी subtle interiors हैं, subtle false ceiling है, yet एक luxury feel है इस apartment के अंदर. So it has the separate his and her closet. So we have seen a 4-door closet over there. There's also a 3-door closet over here. So quite an amazing planning. Now let's see the attached bathroom with this bedroom. Wow, what an amazing bathroom. वो कहते हैं ना आजकल वो चल रहा है, such amazing, just looking like wow. So this is one such bathroom. A very beautiful stone selection over here for vanity top as well as Italian stone cladding over here. Quite a unique mirror placement on the edge of this wall, and it's a good size looking glass mirror. Grohe Vitra की सारी fittings हैं. White color के अंदर ये door use हुआ है to add contrast to it. Now a good space for WC. Already यहाँ पे niches create हुए हैं with inbuilt lights, so you can store your bathroom essentials. And this is the shower cubicle, a good size shower cubicle with grohe fittings as well as rain shower. Let's see the fourth bedroom of this apartment. Wow, guys, good size planning, good size bedroom, and just look at these wow closets over here. So amazing use of jute work in between the glass, so which is giving a very Indianized look to this closet. This is how the closet looks from inside. So there's also multiple drawers over here to store your house essentials, and there's an inbuilt LED also. Being a corner apartment, it has this balcony opening over here, a spacious balcony. In fact, privacy के लिए एक vertical यहाँ पे grass का भी एक patch यहाँ पे use हुआ है. Now let's see the bathroom attached to it. So this is an amazing bathroom attached with a 4th bedroom. A very interesting use of light and dark theme. White color का Italian stone एक use हुआ है यहाँ पे, और dark color के अंदर geometric pattern के अंदर white and black की theme use करके flooring हुई है. There's a very interesting and designer vanity over here. A spacious vanity, you can store your bathroom essentials. Grohe Vitra की सारी fittings हैं, and a very unique looking glass mirror shape over here. So this is the spacious shower cubicle, a closable segregated shower cubicle very interesting feature wall over here using different stone and contrasting geometric combinations. Grohe and Vitra की सारी fittings हैं. There's a rain shower also, and there's also different niches created over here where you can store your bathroom essentials. I hope you have liked this property video tour by Team South Delhi Flows, and if you would like to see this amazing property in Anand Niketan, just call 9999004511 and I'll meet you personally to show you this amazing apartment. Signing off till next time. But guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe South Delhi Flows on YouTube as well as follow us on Instagram. Thank you.